I'm gonna show you how to get Twilio API Key credentials for N8N. So to get started, you have to open your Twilio account on a console Twilio account, and then from there all you have to do is just scroll down and then sign in, go to account dashboard, and you have to go scroll down and then go to a get API keys, and then from there you have to create an API key. And then once you're on there, you will be redirected to a page where you have to generate an API key. So from here we just have to friendly name, or you put a name. So we just put in N8N key, and then from there you just have to click on region and key type, and then from there you just set it up. After that, all you have to do is just click on create. Once you click create, you will now generate an API key for N8N. And then from here, this is now your API key credentials for N8N. So you can just copy all the credentials on N8N, and then after that, you're done. So that's it. That's how you get your API key credentials for N8N.